If you struggle with messy sheets and you're tired of fussing and trying to get perfectly precise and fitted looking sheets, then I have the answer. It's called Bed Scrunchie. So basically, this is a big belt for your flat sheet, and it comes with these clips, and so it adjusts, and there's no more tugging and lifting your mattress of the morning. It is perfect. It gives you the most perfect looking sheets that you can imagine. Basically, they look like a 5-star hotel. This is perfect for you if you have kids or pets that like to jump on your bed, and if you're always just having to fool with trying to keep a neat bed, or you have short sheets. Guys, this is something that I think every household is going to want. This saves so much time in the morning, and it makes your bed look absolutely great. Bed Scrunchie. Perfectly tight.